Hey, Silent Hyperdrive family. So today, I'm bringing you something a little different. Today, we're going to do another road log, summer series, but today we're going to come from the Rincon Bike Path. Today, we're going to try to ride up the coast, give you something a little fresh, something different. Stay with me. It only gets better from here. Silent Hyperdrive. Signing out. stop and take a look and appreciate what's around you. Take it in, or it's too late. Okay, there we go. Let's get back to it.
Little ones out here. Oh, we're at the end. What? This can't be the end, can it? Oh, we're at the end. Pretty short run. We're back, baby. Alright. Well, we got DMX talking to us. We're feeling kind of good. I'm feeling strong. Damn.
It's not really a tough ride. It's a nice ride, actually. It's a fun ride. I mean, it's beautiful out here. It's relaxing. Not too many people, you know. I would definitely do this. I could say that someone who's never ridden a bike will want to get out and ride. This is a good trail. It's easy, beginner friendly, user friendly, as you want to say, whatever. Yeah, this is good. It's safe. You've got double guardrails here. So yeah, I don't feel nervous with oncoming traffic. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty good. The view, amazing. I mean, you can't beat this view anywhere. Look at it. Look at this. Oh, it's amazing. I mean, what time is it? It's 10:25. Oh, this is beautiful. It feels great out here. I mean, it feels amazing. Oh. Anyway, enjoy the ride. All right, Silent Hyperdrive family, well, we're back. We did that. It was a beautiful ride. Successful. So that's round 2 of the season summer series. So you got to stay tuned to see what's coming next. But until next time, this is Silent Hyperdrive saying, keep on flying.